Building generational wealth is the key to creating lasting financial security for your family. In this video, we'll dive into the top strategies that can help you build a legacy that lasts for generations. Get ready to discover powerful tips that will set you on the path to long-term success. Start with a clear vision for the future. Imagine sitting down with your grandchildren decades from now and telling them the story of how your legacy began. Building generational wealth isn't just about the money. It's about having a vision that stretches far beyond your lifetime. Can you picture your family's future without you? When you start with a clear and focused vision, you're not simply accumulating assets, you're laying the foundation for a legacy. Think about what you want to leave behind, whether it's financial independence, a thriving business, or a scholarship fund. By clearly defining what wealth means to you and your family, you begin to pave the way for future generations to carry your success forward. This strategy creates a roadmap that your heirs can follow, ensuring that your wealth-building efforts aren't just for today, but for centuries to come. Invest in real estate for long-term growth. Real estate has been a cornerstone of generational wealth for centuries. What if you could own a piece of property that appreciates in value for generations? That's the power of real estate. Whether it's residential, commercial, or even raw land, the value of real estate has historically grown steadily over time. It's an investment that not only provides passive income through rentals or resales, but also offers tax benefits and potential equity gains. When you purchase property, you're acquiring more than just bricks and mortar. You're securing a tangible asset that future generations can leverage for their own financial success. Starting small, maybe with rental properties or even land, can help build a portfolio that becomes a robust, income-generating asset for your heirs. Diversify your investment portfolio. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. When it comes to building generational wealth, diversification is key. Can you imagine how much more secure your wealth would be if you weren't dependent on just one source of income? A diverse portfolio spreads risk across various asset classes, whether it's stocks, bonds, precious metals, or even startups. By engaging in a range of investments, you increase the likelihood that at least one of them will continue to perform well, even during market downturns. This strategy offers protection against economic volatility, ensuring that the wealth you build today stands the test of time. As markets evolve and industries shift, diversification allows your family to adapt and thrive without losing everything in one bad year. Educate the next generation about money. Building generational wealth isn't just about having money, it's about knowing how to manage it. What if your grandchildren grew up with the same financial wisdom that you've spent a lifetime acquiring? It's critical to teach your children and grandchildren the principles of money management, investing, and saving. The younger they are when they start learning, the better prepared they'll be to handle their inheritance responsibly. Consider setting up family meetings where you can discuss your financial strategies, share the lessons you've learned, and guide them on how to handle wealth with maturity. An educated heir is more likely to preserve and grow the wealth you've worked so hard to build. This is how you ensure that your family doesn't just inherit wealth, they inherit the knowledge to protect it. Create multiple streams of income. One of the biggest mistakes people make is relying on a single source of income. What if you could turn every skill you have into an income stream that lasts for generations? Building wealth isn't just about saving money, it's about creating multiple income streams. This could include side businesses, investments in stocks, or even intellectual property like books, patents, or digital assets. Having more than one source of income can shield you from unexpected financial troubles, and if done right, can multiply your wealth exponentially. By encouraging your family to build their own streams of income, you're setting them up for financial independence and ensuring the continued growth of your family's wealth. Practice smart tax planning. Taxes can eat into your wealth like nothing else. What if you could legally minimize your tax liabilities and maximize your wealth for future generations? Effective tax planning is an essential aspect of building generational wealth. By using strategies like tax-advantaged accounts IRAs, 401ks, etc., charitable donations, or tax-efficient investing, you can shield a significant portion of your wealth from taxes. The more you can protect from taxation, the more you can reinvest and grow. This isn't just about saving money for today, it's about creating a financial strategy that preserves your wealth over the long haul. Smart tax planning ensures that more of what you build stays within your family, passed down without losing a significant chunk to the IRS. Build and maintain strong credit. Imagine being able to leverage credit to expand your business or invest in real estate without depleting your own savings. Could your family's future wealth be secured by good credit? Strong credit is an often overlooked element in wealth building. It opens doors to favorable financing options, such as lower interest rates on mortgages and business loans, which can help you leverage your assets. By teaching the next generation to maintain a strong credit score, you ensure that they will have access to opportunities that will allow them to grow the family wealth rather than depleting it. Responsible credit management is an integral part of any long-term wealth strategy, and it should be passed down just like any other financial principle. Establish a family trust. A trust can be a game changer in terms of protecting your wealth and ensuring it's passed down according to your wishes. What if there were a way to protect your wealth from creditors, taxes, or even from being squandered by a single irresponsible heir? A family trust allows you to control how and when your wealth is distributed, ensuring it's used wisely by future generations. It also shields your wealth from certain taxes, and in some cases, protects it from lawsuits. By setting up a trust, you ensure that your wealth is preserved and your family's financial future is secure, regardless of what happens to you. Trusts are powerful tools that help establish a lasting legacy, and they give you peace of mind that your wealth won't be mismanaged or lost. Create a family business or entrepreneurial ventures. A family business can be one of the most powerful ways to build generational wealth. Have you ever wondered how families like the Waltons or the Kochs build their empires that span generations? The key is building something that lasts, a family-run business that can be passed down through the generations. It doesn't have to be a multi-billion-dollar company. It could be something as simple as a local service business, a farming operation, or a digital product. The point is, when you build a business that provides value, it creates wealth that can be transferred from one generation to the next. Not only does it provide income, but it also provides a sense of purpose and unity that will keep your family together and focused on building success. Focus on legacy over immediate gratification. The most powerful strategy for building generational wealth might just be the most difficult one, focusing on legacy over immediate gratification. What if you could resist the temptation to spend now and instead invested in the future of your family? Building wealth that lasts requires patience and discipline. It's about making decisions that benefit your family years or even decades down the road, rather than seeking immediate rewards. Sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term gains might feel difficult at first, but the rewards are immeasurable. By prioritizing your family's legacy, you ensure that your wealth-building strategies will not only benefit you, but will continue to pay dividends for generations to come. By following these strategies and instilling them into the next generation, you're not just building wealth, you're building a lasting legacy that will thrive for generations. It's the kind of success that isn't measured in dollars, but in the impact it has on your family's future. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips on building generational wealth helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.